not taken seriously, or you're scared to fall under the table because you're the youngest or you're the only woman in your field? In this video, I'm going to show you how to be taken seriously no matter what. Hi ambitious entrepreneur, I'm Vivi, an emotional intelligence and happiness coach. Welcome to Adventure Evolve. My channel is all about gaining emotional freedom and living a truly happy life. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video is released. Number one, the most important thing to be taken seriously is being confident in who you are and what you do. Then people will feel that. And then there's no doubt why they shouldn't adopt this same thinking about you. If you believe in your own power, others will too. Number two, be able to say no. You have to protect your own energy, your own time, and you don't want to be treated as garbage or as the coffee maker, right? Three, girl, stop apologizing. There's nothing worse than playing small and apologizing for everything. Oh my god, I'm sorry that I'm 2 minutes late. Oh, I'm so sorry that we didn't get the project done on time. Stop apologizing. Things happen. My god, you're not a superhero. Just say thank you or we're working on it. And never ever play small by saying, this might be dumb, but your idea. Or this might not be important, but if you want to say something, say it up front and tell them your idea. Don't play small. Don't make yourself small by like, maybe this is not right, maybe this is stupid. No, this is one of the worst things you can do. You show insecurities, people will treat you the way you show them how to be treated. If you're not the Prada or Louis Vuitton kind of person, then don't try to dress like that. Make sure you feel comfortable in your clothes. You're still kind of casual, so you'll be taken seriously, so you're not gonna come in your yoga pants to a business meeting. But make sure you feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable, people will feel that. People can sense that, and you just don't shine the way you're supposed to shine. Also make sure that you still look amazing. That means no holes in your clothes, no coffee or other spills on your shirts or wherever, and don't look like you've been wearing the same clothes for a week and you haven't washed your hair in like a month. Number five, body language. It goes along with confidence, but if your posture isn't upright, if you don't stand there like, hey, here I am, that's what I do, this is how I can help you, people who are insecure actually fall under the table. So if you stand there, your shoulders are crunched and you have your arms in front of your body and you start looking insecure around the place and you're not really sure what to do, where to say, where to go, then you're not taken seriously. Put your shoulders back, put your smile on, and just be the most confident version of yourself and show that through your body language. Also, don't cross your legs in front of each other and stand there like making yourself small, trying to hide, not trying to be seen. Make yourself big. Man, you're here to be seen. You're here to be taken seriously. You're here to change the world. Why are you trying to hide? And number six, ask questions, but listen. When you show genuine interest, they will start taking you seriously. And follow the golden rule. Treat others how you want to be treated. If you want to learn more about letting go of negative thoughts, controlling your emotions, and doubling your happiness, then make sure you get my free 4-day video training in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what your biggest takeaway was, and if you have any other suggestions how to be more taken seriously. If you found this video valuable, make sure you share it with your friends and family so they can start living a happier life and be more taken seriously as well. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video is released. Thank you for watching and see you soon.